This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
And it shouldn't take long, in fact. And yeah, guys, I can't believe what I'm seeing, guys. This is something else. Hi friends, Kyle here, and today I've got a super cool video for you. Lately I've been digging through YouTube's like crazy, watching literally 100 different free TRX video, and you won't believe this, I actually found something that surprised me, like genuinely surprised me, yeah? And before we start, everything I show in my videos is purely educational, it's the same on purpose, and I'm not encouraging you to repeat anything. So if you see my video first time, I've got my own channel, so you can pause the video, and by the way, you can pause the video and check the name. Alright, so today I want to check again how the things actually react, because honestly I was shocked when I first tried it, yeah. And last time I had no words to describe my reaction, so I didn't make any video, okay. And if you also have something interesting to check, you can show me in the comments, okay. Because I've seen so much garbage in this niche, so that I'm honestly a bit tired of searching. Anyway, let me continue. Alright, so I'm gonna open the... yeah, I'm gonna open these options, doesn't matter. Okay, and I've checked the reviews earlier and it looks nice, but always prefer to check in everything myself. Okay, and give me a minute here, guys. I'll set this part real quick and I will get to the good part soon. So let me use my phone, and I need a few seconds here. Alright, okay, I'll double check everything. Yep, continue. Okay, so yeah, it's updated. That looks marvelous, in fact. Nice. So let me wait a couple of sec. It should be quick. Okay, and yeah, it's updated, so that's nice. So I'm back to my laptop. Okay, I'm closing everything and reopen it. Nice. Let me focus my camera. Yep, like that. Right, good. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, it's updated. Nice. So there are just a few more setup steps. Okay, here. Yeah, and while I'm doing that, let me remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor and this is just my personal experience. I'm making this video for my friends. All right, nice. So looks interesting so far. Okay, and let me check everything here. Looks nice. Okay, here another seems right. Yeah. Okay, and guys, look at this. Okay, that's actually pretty cool, right? Wow. So the whole point of this is sending everything back, because other way it's useless. I'm gonna choose okay. Yeah, let me grab my phone again. Let me open it. Just a few seconds. Let me focus my camera. Yeah. Right. Yeah, and here. Okay. Right. Here. All right, and done. Yeah. Okay, so it's updated. I guess I can close it. No need for today anymore. Right? Yeah. Here. Yeah. So finally, guys, the moment of truth. I literally have no idea what to expect, and you saw everything yourself. So let's check. All right, and I've got a feeling something interesting is coming. So let me refresh it, right, and it shouldn't take long, in fact. And yeah, guys, I can't believe what I'm seeing, guys. This is something else, but that's how it is. Wow. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and that's just my personal experience. And I'm making this video, in fact, for my friends, alright? Alright, so that was a pretty fun, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you very soon.